Hi everyone, I've got a Peugeot 2008 on a 2014 plate. Just did a service on this. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light. Now that's the service there. That's what I need to reset. So if I switch the ignition on, you'll see here, and then you got this bit spanner light as well. So I'm going to get rid of both of them. To do it, it's quite simple. Switch the ignition off, press and hold this spanner button here. So right there's a spanner button, so you may not be able to see that one there. So if I switch the ignition off, press and hold this button, now the countdown starts. As soon as it gets to 0, I will then switch the ignition off. Now reinitialized, switch the ignition off, and then I'll start the ignition up again, and you'd see the spanner light, the service light that was here, and the spanner light would both disappear. I'll go off in a minute. That's it. And there's no warning for the service as well. That's all you got to do on your Peugeot. If there's any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.